In medieval Europe, animals were actually put on trial and sentenced to death, like humans. Imagine a pig or a rooster standing in a courtroom, facing charges for crimes like theft or even murder. This bizarre chapter in history wasn't just for show, it was a serious legal procedure complete with lawyers and judges. These trials were held in the same courts that handled human cases, reflecting a unique medieval worldview where animals were seen as moral beings accountable for their actions. The legal proceedings were elaborate. Animals were provided with defense lawyers who would argue on their behalf, sometimes successfully securing acquittals or reduced sentences. In some cases, the trials were public spectacles, drawing large crowds, and often lasting for days. The seriousness with which these trials were conducted highlights the medieval belief in a world where divine and natural laws applied equally to all living creatures. One famous case involved a sow in 1386, accused of mauling a child to death in Falaise, France. The animal was dressed in human clothing and paraded through the streets before being publicly executed. These events were not merely about justice, they served as moral lessons to the community, reinforcing the idea of order and divine retribution. As bizarre as it sounds, these trials reflect a time when the boundaries between human and animal were less rigidly defined. They reveal a society grappling with questions of justice, morality, and the natural world in ways that are both alien and fascinating to us today. While we may chuckle at the absurdity, these trials underscore the complexity of historical legal systems and the ever-evolving concept of justice.